You love dancing in the rain. You never mind a cloudy day. You make the world a better place. Yeah, you love dancing in the rain.
Hey guys, Dirk here, the Sunshine Family, and I'm at the house right now. And it's been a while that I shoot a video for you because we were moving. We moved from our house in what's called Santiago near Hermosa, and it was an awesome. I think we lived there 8, maybe 9 months. It was a great place. But we have this project, remember? So this is the project, and so the guy we're gonna work with for rebuilding, he's on holiday right now, and I'm gonna start demolishing and see what we can use, because there is the budget is not that high. We have about $20,000 to rebuild this house. So I'm gonna use whatever we're gonna use. So these, for example, that door, and also this door. There's doors inside. Maybe these are sliding doors, and maybe I can rebuild them to, you know, open doors like this, like here, like this. And this wood, I'm not sure what kind of wood it is. The other wood is hardwood, kind of teak. So that is definitely, you know, something that we can sanding and then, you know, in furnish or oil, and that will be beautiful. All the windows are in good shape. None of the wood is rotten. So this, I know it's not pretty, but if you know, restore this, sand it, oil, new, I have no idea how you call those, but renew, you know, new of those, and that is it. So the idea that I had, because it's such a weird house, it has 8 columns around, and then if you remember, maybe it has 8 columns here in the inside. Let me see if you can see like this. You see, it's a bit, this ceiling is awesome though, but it's like, what do we do with this? It's so strange. So I'm gonna take everything out. So it's 8 pillars, and then basically you have a concrete wall that way, 1, 2, 3 concrete that way, 1, 2, 3 concrete that way, 1, 2, 3 concrete wall that way. So, and this is a solid concrete. I don't know. We take it out. Just gonna take it out, and the floor, we're gonna take out the floor as well. There's gonna be a smooth white concrete floor, so that is super nice. And then I think just take the walls out. You of course leave these columns and these beams, but take these walls out. And then here you got these steps. So 1, and then, you know, put the new walls in, or all the way around, either here, and then go around and make 1 toilet and 1 bathroom. Here's the old bathroom, and maybe just prolong it with natural rocks around here, that you have that we have an open air bathroom that I think is super nice. And then we have to lift the roof with like 20 centimeters or 1 foot, a little bit more than 20 centimeters, but 1 foot up, so we can prolong it a little bit further, because, you know, or else the rain will come against the wall, and we don't want that. So that is one option. The other option is to leave the walls where they are, and then there are 2 rooms here, and there is this, also the other side of the house, there are these sort of patios, and just build a roof, a wall like this, and then put a roof the other way, and make, you know, a canoa like this here in the middle. And then we extended the 2 rooms, so we have 2 big rooms. I got a mustache, you see that? I need to shake. And so yeah, that is one option, and we can do that for the other rooms there as well. You see there is a patio as well, and then this open area is going to be closed, and maybe that is an idea, just to close it and prolong it until here. So this is a bigger room for my mom. It's a master bedroom. A smaller, no, actually then you have 3 big rooms, and this strange living area in the inside. But I think it's cute. Somebody say, why don't you just tear it all down and start over? Well, mainly because of the budget. So we have to see what we can reuse and remodel, and you know, and just go and build from there. And then there's my big hope. No, that's not it. It's black and super heavy. Serious. Go check. It's serious there. I'll come too. It's there. Maybe it's outside. Could it be there? Anyway, these are my big helps, and they went to the garage to get the big bar for braking, because the task I gave them is to take these bars out. It's not heavy because it's like wood, and I don't know. I wanted to get them out in one piece, but we're not gonna use it. So, you know, I just gave it fun. Just rag it out, and then it can take out the old shower. But this is the update that we, you know, what we're going to do building our house here in Costa Rica. And our house, if you remember, you know, we have the garage all the way in the back, and our house is going to be on top of the hill, pretty far away from, you know, it's like 500 meters from here. And then this is my mom's house, and it's, you know, it's just a peaceful place because it's super quiet here. Now the neighbors, I don't know, spraying something on his field. I'm not gonna breathe that in, but it's just a great place. So this is a little update. It's a short video, but this is what we're going to do. I'm gonna start today with taking out of the kitchen and the doors, if I see, but all the screws are rusted and I'm not getting it loose. But I took the kitchen, the undersink away. I'm gonna see if we can reuse the concrete top, but I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna pour some nice concrete slabs, and then we're gonna put it on top, and maybe, you know, with a little marble inside. So, but I'm gonna take them out in one piece and see what we can do with it. Definitely one thing is what we're gonna do is take out this wall and move it outside, even if all the other places do not. And then the kitchen goes outside as well, so that makes this little bit area here a little bit bigger. Maybe that wall is same, so that even though maybe the other plants we leave, that this area is a little bit bigger, so that, you know, if it's really rainy, we have a nice indoor sitting. Put a big table here, you can sit as a family. And then there is, of course, another thing here. We're gonna make an extension of the roof. So when you sit here, we need to find a place for the car, but that could be in the garage all the way. My mom doesn't have a car, but if we have renters and they want to put their car somewhere, we have to figure that out. But an extension so people can, you know, we can sit under the roof outside when it's raining. So that's it for the day, guys. I'm gonna get some work done, and see you in the next video. If you're here, you know, for the first time you found us here on YouTube, make sure to support our channel by giving us a thumb up, and subscribe if you like our videos and you want to stay updated to this awesome project here on a mango farm in Costa Rica. And see you next video, guys. Ciao.
You love riding on a train. You'd rather life not be a race. You're always finding your own way. You love riding on a train. Don't know how I found you. I guess that dreams come true when you least expect them to. Ain't life funny? How did I get so lucky?